What we have here are the hood latches, and this one over here, driver's side, and this one passenger side. These two units are actually the same, and what makes it different is this one right here, which goes on the face of this, and that's when you pull the handle. It pulls and releases this, and then pulls this one this way and releases that. Now, what I plan on doing is, these were originally, they're all rusted now, but they were originally what they call Yellow-Zinc. You can't see it on the front here, but if I flip this over, you can see that's a yellowish tone to it. And the same thing over here. It's called Yellow-Zinc. So plan on going over the plater and taking these springs off and these units out, so I have separate parts. The only thing is on this guy right here, there's a plastic washer. You see it right there? I'm hoping that we can plate these and leave that, not have a problem. But if we do, we might have to take this apart right here and have two separate pieces. So we'll see what the plater has to say. So I'm going to take these apart, take them over to the plater for Yellow-Zinc, which is zinc, and then they put another coating over it, turns it a light yellow or golden color. Okay, this is step 2. Step 1, I removed the springs over here and there, and they're both the same. The other one's the other side, and this plate over here is for the driver's side. It makes it different, so you can open the hood. So took it over to Miller Sandblasting and Paint, commercial place. They end up doing my small parts for me, and they used glass bead for the sandblasting. It came out really slick. Also, I had these little guys here. These are the little clamps that go on to hold the cables in place. There's 6 of them, 3 on each one. You only need 3 of them, but they're both set up the same way apparently when they manufacture. So here's the place that did it for me here in Rochester, New York. So I'm very pleased. So now the next step is to take it over to the plater to put the Yellow-Zinc plating on. Well, I just picked up the parts from the plater. That's the Yellow-Zinc plating. Really pleased the way they came out. It was only $80 to plate up all the parts. We got the 3 larger parts, and we got 6 little clamps over here. I think there's 6. Yeah. And so, like I said, it was $80. Really pleased. Commercial plater took these small little parts for me and took care of them. So the next step is going to be to put the springs back on. The other thing I'm pleased about, these parts here, really stiff. Now they're nice and smooth. So I don't know what made that happen or why they were stiff, but I'm pleased about that. So I'll put the springs back on and put all the hardware on, and I'll take a video of that. Here is the final assembly. I got the springs on. I also got these little bumpers here. Those little bumpers are hard to put in. You had to use a little soap, dish soap, on the bumper and the hole it went into. Over here is we got all the hardware on here for the cables. And this one over here is in the lock position when the hood would be down. I moved it and put it over in place. And this one's when the hood is up. This here is the, on the right here is the driver's side latch. And over here, the passenger side latch. And then I also got this. This is a cable between the 2 latches. This one here is the assembly with the hood release right here. And then we got these little guys here to lock down the cables at the end. So total To do the taking care of the actual steel parts, it was $40 for the sandblast and $80 for the plating and all the parts. And so it came out really nice. And I'm here in Rochester. The car's in Arizona, so it won't be until next winter when these get installed. So if you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and have a nice day.